All right, Nate Jones here, the owner and director of insurance of Wexford Insurance here in Greenwood, Indiana. I'm here to talk to you about a coverage called Directors and Officers Liability. This coverage is a lot of times confused and thought for that it's only for non-for-profit companies that have a board of directors that don't want their actions or their mismanagement or an accident or anything like that for people to come after their own personal assets. This is actually for any company that has any sort of board of directors that are making decisions and running the company, and where they could personally be brought into a lawsuit for their mismanagement or accidental mismanagement or breach of financial duty. And I can get to the why would somebody sue a director and officer in a second, but it's important for any company that has a board and that has directors and has that C-suite of people, that it protects them, because the last thing you want is your director of operations to be brought in a lawsuit and him have to defend himself with his own personal assets. So why would somebody sue a director and officer? And there's a lot of different reasons. One of them being fraud. You commit fraud, or the allege of fraud, and just to have to defend yourself, because insurance companies don't pay for defense when fraud is when they can see right from the beginning, hey, fraud was committed. But if you're trying to defend yourself saying, hey, no, we didn't do anything, that's where it comes into play. Failure to comply with workplace laws, lack of corporate governance, misuse of corporate funds, misrepresentation of company assets, theft of intellectual property, breach of fiduciary liability or duty. So, a lot of these things that they could be alleged and not necessarily occurred, and you want to be able to defend yourself. You don't want to have to, break into your retirement and stuff to defend yourself for a frivolous lawsuit. So this is definitely one of those ones that it's an insurance policy for your C-suite. Take care of those guys, because they're the backbone of your company. So, all right, this is Nate Jones, and thanks for the time. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. If we can't help you, we will find somebody who can. Thanks.